Be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Kearny bank account. So Kearny Bank is an American bank and it's located in Fairfield, New Jersey of America, alright? It also has its branches in other part of US, but basically if you have a Kearny bank account, then I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into it online. First step, you want to search for Kearny bank account, Kearny bank. Once you search for Kearny bank, click on the first link. It's going to take you to the official website of Kearny bank. Now over here you can see the big login button. You can click on it. It's going to show you this. If you want to go into the business login sector, you can click on business banking. But if you have a personal, here where it says username, you want to enter your username over here. And where it says passport, you want to enter your passport over here. And click on submit. And you should be able to log in into your personal banking account if the information like a username and passport is correct. And if you forgot your passport, click on forgot passport to recover it. If you want to create a personal banking account or enroll into it, you can click on enroll now to enroll for Kearny bank as well. If you have a business banking account, click on login over here. It's going to take you to the business banking sector's login page. Now once you're over here, basically you need to enter username over here. And after you enter your username, you need to enter your passport over here just like I'm doing. And then click on login. And if the username and passport you entered is correct, you should be able to log in into your Kearny business bank account. If you forgot your passport or PIN, you can just click on forgot passport or PIN. If you lost your token or your token is damaged, you can also click on these to recover it. Alright.